Not quite ready for climbing Walla Crag this morning, are you, Sam? So we're at Braithwaite Waters tomorrow, right? So just over there. By looks of things. Afternoon. Sam and I are just out for a late afternoon walk. He's been sleeping most of the day. He's not been very well, so I think it takes the energy out of him. So it's been a bit of a strange day, really. I have to say it feels like the energy's been taken out of me a bit today, what with the weather being like it is. It was heavy rain earlier, but we're taking the opportunity to go out while it's a bit dry. Yeah. So there's a few geocaches around here. We're going to go and have a look. Oh, this feels a little bit more alive from the earlier rainfall. Well, you can cross the stream or the bridge, Sam. What's it going to be? I can see myself getting a booty here, Sam. Oh, we did it. The Dragon's Towel, a gift that keeps on giving. Thank you, my Welsh barber. Walking the Walla Crag. Bloody hell. Got to walk that for the walk of the Walla Crag. You reckon we can do it? And there's the Star Blazer right on the end there. Oh. Come here. Oh, there you go. What makes climbing Walla Crag harder? Sammy Chew being a nutty zoomies. You got the zoomies? Sam, we're quite high up here. Do you really think it's appropriate to have the zoomies? How's that for a view? Could have done with that blue sky here though. Although, having said that, now that we're up in the blue skies, Sam always makes a hard walk difficult. Oh. Sam, calm down. Oh wow, that's some view. We're nearly touching the clouds. There's Keswick and the Derwent, and I'm just stood on top of Walla Crag. It's pretty cool. That's what you imagine the tops of these to look like. Stixies on the side of a fell now. Oh, don't bend it, Sam. That's gonna hurt. Ooh. Oh, for God's sake, Sam. God, where'd you get your energy? Walking down a fell is a lot easier than walking up it. Obviously, he makes it 50 times more difficult. Now you got yourself tangled in a load of rocks. Oh God. What are you like, Sam? Come here. Oh. So there you go. Every second's a pleasure with that lad. Well, that isn't an advert for fell walking. I don't know what is, as Sam pulls on his lead. Spectacular, isn't it? If only that sunshine was here. There's the blue skies. Just not managed to get one with the sun through on me. Comes alive in the sun, doesn't it? Alright, wonderful sound effects. See the sunbeams coming through there. Oh, we done it, Sam. Always, Sam.